India's rich culture and diverse cohesion was on full display on Thursday, January 26, as they celebrated the 74th anniversary of their Republic Day. PBCJ now presents to you highlights from the Republic of India celebrations held at India House. One of the 7 official wonders of the world may reside in India, but some of the country's untold wonders can be found right here on the island through the talents of children.
करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की अभिमान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Dr. Norman Dunn, who was in attendance and reps as a proud link between the two cultures, said the marriage between these nations created wonders of their own.
They were very, very instrumental in the period after emancipation. I mean, they would have gone on to become, important traders and merchants, and they would have brought usher in a business class in Jamaica, and has done very well over the years. And we'd have seen them in various different spheres in our Jamaican life. And so the intermarriage of those two cultures has really benefited Jamaica. I mean, our motto is out of many one people, and therefore you'd have seen that we would have embraced the Indian culture as well as other cultures, and Jamaica has now become this huge melting pot, and therefore the benefit has been tremendous.
But, of course, just as coriander in a curry blend, differences add spice to a relationship. But just as turmeric in curry, no good blend can do without similarities.
We have a number of commonalities. I mean, we're stable democracies, and we have leaders who really believe that the citizens is the heart of what we should do. And from the Mahatma Gandhi doctrine, I mean, he would have spread around the world the issue of humility in particular. And that is one thing that I believe that, as a nation, we can always have some humility about us as leaders or leaders generally, and just people generally. I mean, that would really contribute to some of the issues that we have here today.
But don't just take our word for it. Here are some members of the Indian expat community to tell their tales of glory.
When I look at the community-wise, even in St. Mary and other places, because most of the people, they are having a Indian background names like Ramatar, Ramlal, and those things. That is shows that yes, there is a one out of many. Yes, because there is a Indians is there from the 175 years, and they are been growing and well settled here. And as we come newcomers, but when we came here, and the hospitality, the receiving of the Jamaica nations, the persons who receiving us very friendly.
I think, having celebrating our Republic Day on an island so far away from where, it was first conceptualized or what, and just today when we see India celebrating it there with the same fervor we celebrate it here, I think that is what makes it very special.
I feel Jamaica is a place where we feel like home, right? So Jamaica is kind of home away home. So Jamaicans are very, very welcoming us with the open arms. So I don't have any complaint. English language, which is very comfortable for Indians. We get our food, and we are very much appreciated. Everything which is done by us is appreciated by Jamaica and Jamaican government. So no complaints. I feel like home. I'm extremely comfortable here.
The joys of being an expat is also directly tied into those who aid in caring for you. And when who houses you is comfortable himself, it is a happy home indeed.
More Indians are coming here as professionals, and this reinforces the cultural similarity or cultural synthesis or the cultural amalgamation of these two cultures. The other Jamaicans coming from the Africa continent, but the Indians coming from India. These two cultures are, I think, definitely blending in terms of the cuisine that you have. I don't know which is Jamaican cuisine and which is Indian cuisine. I don't know. It's very similar now. The curry goat, curry chicken, for example, the rotis that you eat have all come from India, and it has been perfectly blended with the Jamaican culture. You talk of the mango trees, the jackfruit, several other vegetables and trees which are growing in Jamaica. It has become a part of Jamaican society. Government after government have come, and they have been welcoming the Indian diaspora here, and that's why I think it has given a lot of conducive environment for them to prosper and then flourish in their businesses, which in turn contributes back to the prosperity and progress of this beautiful island country. So much as the people of India becoming a part of the society here. So I'm very happy that Jamaican society is a very inclusive society where it has given a lot of space for Indian culture to flourish.
With 19,500 languages and dialects, and 2,858 registered political parties under the banner of their colorful flag, the people of India across the world acknowledged this pivotal milestone on January 26. This has been PBCJ's highlight of the 74th Republic Day of India. Thanks for watching.